Hi, welcome. I wanted to show how I join in the round. I always cast on one extra stitch than the pattern calls for. So it calls for 20, I cast on 21. And I make sure that my working yarn is on the right hand needle to start with, and that none of the cast on stitches are twisted. That's what you need to get started. So let's go here. So you're going to take your right hand needle, as if to purl, you'll insert it into the first stitch and slide it off the needle. Then you will insert your other needle to the second stitch, now it's the second stitch on the right needle, and slip that over and off. So it's kind of hanging out in the middle there. I take my two tails and I give them both a little tug, and I'll tighten that right up. And this way I don't get any ladders. You're joined in the round.